Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up on Meetup app. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we have to do in order to sign up into our Meetup app is make sure that you have already downloaded or installed your Meetup app on your device. Once you're done with that, tap open the app, and right after opening your app you'll be on this page where you'll be able to see option sign up. Here you'll have to tap on that sign up option. Then you'll be directed towards this next page where you can see three options that are continue with Google, continue with email, and continue with Facebook. If you continue with Google and Facebook, you'll be directly linked with your Google or Facebook account. For now, we will be going with the process of continuing with email. So tap on the second option, that is continue with email. After that, here on the next page, you'll be asked to enter your name, your email address, and your password. After that, you can choose to select your birth date and gender. And if you don't want to do that for now, you can just skip it and directly tap on the sign up option. Then on the next page, here you'll be asked where you're located. Choose your country and the city you live in, and then tap on next. Then on the second page, here you'll have to select your interests. After you choose a few of your interests, you'll have to tap on the next option. Then once again, you'll be directed on this next page where you'll be asked what you are looking for. You can choose your preferred one and tap on next once again. After tapping on next, here as you can see, you will be directed on the home page of your account. You will be successfully signed up on the Meetup app. You can check whether you have been signed up or not by tapping on the profile icon on the top right hand side corner. Here you can see your profile name and about yourself. And just like that, that was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up on Meetup app. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.